So YouTube, today I'm going to see if I can cut a hole through a fat popsicle stick with this laser cutter that I've got. See if I can drill a hole. Whoa, that was fast. Look at that, it just drilled a hole straight through. It's a very tiny hole. I wonder if I can cut the whole popsicle stick. I'll just go like this. No way. Is that cutting? I see the light going all the way through. Let's see how well it did. It still was clinging on in a few little spots that it didn't burn. Look at that. Really clean cut. I'm going to try and cut the other end. Let me just pick this up. Come on. It's cutting straight through. See if I can just cut along here. Man, that light is bright. I wouldn't want to look directly at that. That would make me go blind, probably permanently. For some reason it's not cutting straight all the way through. Like the light's going all the way through, but in some spots it's... Oh, there we go. That was a proper break. I didn't have to snap that at all. I cut all the way through. I'll see if I can burn another hole straight through. I'll put the camera on the other side so we can see how long it takes for it to burn all the way through. Whoa, that was fast. Well, I'll just turn it around. Man, that's fast. It punches a tiny hole, but it does punch a hole all the way through really fast. Whoa, look how fast it punches a hole. That is satisfying. It just lights the stick up and then boom, straight through. It's not a super powerful laser, but it's powerful enough that it's fun to poke holes and stuff with it. It takes like a second to cut a hole through the wood. Anyway, that was just me cutting a popsicle stick with a laser. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a nice day. Goodbye.